Hi there! Today we will learn numbers in Chinese. The number system in Chinese is very different from English, so I found many foreign learners, even in advanced level, make mistakes when saying numbers. So that's why I made this video, and trust me, after watching this video, you will be able to say Chinese numbers correctly. I broke it into 5 parts. Let's get started. If you are not a beginner and you have already known how to say 0 to 1000, you can just skip to part 5, which talks about 10,000 and numbers bigger than that include million. Part 1, 0 to 10. It's the basic, so you need to be able to count from 0 to 10 with correct tones. Pay attention to the tones. Let's do it together. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's the basic. So if you are a beginner, I hope you can repeat after me several times and remember this by using your ears and mouth rather than your memory. Part 2, 11 to 19. As we already know, 10 is 10 and 1 is 1. So 11 is 10 plus 1. You can say 11. 11. And from 11 to 19, other numbers are kind of the same. So 12, we can just simply say 10 plus 2. So it's 12. 14, 14. 16, 16. 18, 18. 19, 19. And part 3, 20 to 99. We have another different way to count this, and let's see how it works. So 20, for example, we just regard English T, 20's T as 10, 10 in Chinese. So 20 will be 2 and 10. So we say 20, 20. And 30 will be 30, 30. Maybe you think it's kind of weird, but it's correct in Chinese. So 40, we will separate them to 4 and 10. And 10 is replacing 40's T in English. So 40 will be 40 and 70, 70, 90, 90. And 21, you just need to say 20 first, and then plus 1. So 20 is 2, 10, right? So it's 20, and 1 is 1. So 21 will be 21. And 47, 47. 38, 38. 65, 65. 99, 99. Part 4, 100 in Chinese is 百. So 100 you can say 100, 100. And 200, 200 or 200, 200. 200. 400, 400. 900, 900. But here's something that we need to pay special attention. Let's see, when it is 0, we need to read 0. So this one is 103. 103. And for this, when we simply read 15, it's 15. 15. Nothing else, right? But when we read 315, we need to say 315. Pay attention to this E. We say 315. Let's do some more practice. 600, 600 600 303 303 303 517 517 517 914 914 914 and thousand in Chinese is 千 千 so 1000 will be 1000 1000 and 2000 is 2000 2000 and pay attention, we never say 2000, we only say 2000. Let's do some more practice. 8321 8321 4412 4412 3303 3303 9876 9876 Okay, before we start part 5, I have something to say. English also has hundred and thousand like 百 and 千 in Chinese, so it's easy to understand. But from 10,000, Chinese and English use different ways to count. So just follow me. We have a little trick to help you to count, so you can certainly say the numbers above 10,000 correctly. 10,000. The number has 5 digits, right? And the trick is just to count 4 digits from the end of the number and put Chinese character 1 after the remaining number because 1 means 10,000. Let me repeat this little trick again because it always works for big numbers. Just count 4 digits from the end of the number and put Chinese character 1 after the remaining numbers. Let's see the examples. Let's say this number, 10,000. We just count 4 digits from the end and let's see what's left. If we count 4 digits from the end, we can see only 1 left. And we put Chinese character 1 there, and this number will be read as 1,000. 1,000. And the same way, 20,000 will be 2,000. 2,000. And pay attention, we never say 2,000. We only say 2,000. Let's do more practice. We just count 4 digits from the end of the number and see what's left. And if we count 4 digits from the end, only 4 is left. So it's 4 plus Chinese character 1, right? And the 5613 is easier for you because it's only 1,000 thing. It's only 1000 something. So the whole number will be read as 45613, right? Again, please. 45613. And second one, let's count 4 digits from the end. And if we count 4 digits, only 7 is left. So we put Chinese character 1 there. So this number will be 7,893. 7,893. Next one, count 4 digits and only 9 is left. We say 9,0762. 9,0762. Last one, if we count 4 digits from the end, only 1 is left. So put Chinese character 1 there. So it will be 1,000. 032 1032 If we have 2 zeros there, you can just read 1 zero is enough. Okay, this one. If we count 4 digits from the end and only 2 is left, and we put Chinese character 1 there, the number will be 22500 22500 right? And the last one will be 22501 22501 And here's a little point. When we talk about 20,000 or 2,000, we can only say 2万 and 2000. We never say 2万 and 2000. But for 200, we have 2 ways to say. You can say 200 or 200. And this number is bigger. We use the same trick. We just count 4 digits from the end and see what's left. And if we count 4 digits from the end, 10 is left. And we put Chinese character 1 there. So this number will be 10万, right? 10万. The second will be 20万. It's simply 20万. And this one, count 4 digits from the end and only 33 is left. So this one will be 33万, right? 33万. And the last one, count 4 digits from the end and only 57 is left. So it's 574,513 574,513 and bigger number. This one actually is million in English, but we still use the same trick. Let's count 4 digits from the end and 100 is left. So 100 plus 1 will be 100,000, right? 100,000. And the second one is 300,000. 300,000. And this one, 671 is left. So it's 671,000. 671,000. And the last one, 532,912. 532,912. Okay, that's all for today's video, and I hope you can watch this video several times and Chinese numbers won't bother you anymore. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and there are new videos here on the channel designed to help you learn more real Chinese. I'm Kana, and see you next time.